Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin daily update. We are going to guide you through every single target. And of course, before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, personal guidance, educational videos, and many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Let's go right now to see what BTC is going to do. So eventually we found a little bit of a sell pressure in this area, 23.5k. Now, what is next for Bitcoin? Can we go even higher to potentially 23.8k, or are we going to stay right here? Bitcoin is looking good. It is not looking bad in the 4-hour frame, and therefore I would think that Bitcoin can manage to pull it off all the way up highs into the 23.8k. Now, what is the case with Bitcoin? It will find probably a very huge resistance level at around 23.8k again. And at this time, what we need to do is to close above the 23.8k again on the 4-hour frame or in the daily frame. But once we do that, be certain that the Bitcoin could explode into the 24.7 to 25k. So I'm going to put these two price targets right here, but I'm not done yet, as we need to see many more things, including where BTC is going to go into the next few days. So in the daily frame, you can see that we found a little bit of a sell pressure. Here we had a sell pressure back on 21st July, but it wasn't so much. Instead, we had a huge buying pressure right after. And this is the reason why I'm believing that BTC didn't mean to have such a huge drop. Even Tesla sold 75% and happened nothing. Okay, nothing happened because people were extremely bullish, and of course the 75% of the Tesla's Bitcoin is not enough to cause a panic destroy into the Bitcoin's chart. Anyway, apart from that, you can see that Bitcoin is regaining some strength right here, and I am a little bit surprised, to be honest with you, because I was expecting Bitcoin would go all the way further down into the 22k and not stopping at the 22.3k. However, right here you can see that we are into a moment where we want to see Bitcoin going all the way above the 23.5. So this is the first price target that we have. Second price target is the 23.8, and once we close above the 23.8, we can go to the 24.7 and 25k. In the meantime, for BTC chart, what I'm seeing into the next days is that, first of all, I'm seeing a little bit of a positive vibe, such as we do not have something like an overbought situation on the RSI. And despite the fact that we had a daily overbought with the commodity channel index, we keep getting higher. This is a good sign for an altcoin or Bitcoin in this case that wants to go even higher in the daily frame. But anyway, we will have to wait and see for the targets as well. Now we have an overbought situation with the stochastic RSI. We have an overbought situation with the Fisher transform as well. And this is why I want to tell you that you should be careful, despite the fact that right now Bitcoin looks good. Okay, it might be the case that we go a little bit further down. Anyway, for the time being, we had a nice buying pressure throughout the day of a plus 1%, but trust me, the fact that we had a buying pressure on 21st July and not causing a panic attack, a panic sell pressure, because, you know, when Tesla sells Bitcoin, there's always a chain of a sell pressure. But right now, this wasn't the case. We had a buying pressure and we keep getting even higher. So was Tesla wrong? We will find out soon. But anyway, for the time being on the 4-hour frame, these are the targets right here. BTC is on the first target that we had. It found a little bit of a sell pressure, but given the fact that if we go to the 1-hour frame, I do not see anything hugely bearish apart from the fact that we have the commodity channel index into an overbought. So yeah, it could be the case that we correct a little bit for now, but at the end of the day, the 4-hour frame seems pretty good, pretty nice, and we have the stochastic RSI into an oversold, which means that we have many chances into seeing some important price targets for Bitcoin into the next few hours. So I'm expecting BTC to reach finally the 23.8k. Apart from that though, I cannot promise you anything. You need to be safe, stay safe in these situations right there, because many people get trapped easily into short or long positions and they never exit. But I will remind you something, 17.7k for me was the bottom for this cycle. However, we will have to wait and see, but for me personally, 17.7k was the bottom for BTC, and I think that it should be staying as the bottom. Even if we go down in the bearish cycle and we continue the bearish cycle, I think that we will move sideways towards the 20k and then explode again. So this thing right here, the fact that we went so quick down, it was good enough so you could reaccumulate all the way back to the 17.7k. Anyway, I think that Bitcoin is going to retest the 23.8k, and from there we are going to have to wait and see. In the meantime, be careful in what you trade. Do not use extended leverage as of now because you might get trapped. And of course, thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.